So let's go over our push-pull command. In the large tool set, select the push-pull icon. Now as we hover over our surfaces, you will see the surfaces that are available to be pushed and pulled become highlighted. Let's go ahead and select this top surface and extend it up 2 feet. I'm going to type 2 feet on my keyboard and enter. Now I'm going to select this surface again and go back down 2 feet, but this time, as you can see in our status bar over here, if we hit Control, we can toggle creating a new surface or extending the surface. So I'm going to press Control once, and here we are creating a new surface. I'm going to go back down 2 feet. Now I'm going to extend the side surfaces out 2 feet. Now this time I don't want to create a new surface. I want it to extend this one, so I'm going to toggle the surface one more time, the push-pull command, and I'm going to go 2 feet out. Let's go ahead and do that on all sides. And let's go ahead and reduce this down another foot. Now let's go ahead and go over our offset tool. Go ahead and click on offset. And as you can see, when we move over our surfaces, the surfaces that we can offset become highlighted. Let's click on our surface on the side here and click on the edge once and drag your mouse. And you can see that we can offset this out or in. Let's move in the direction in, and let's offset this 4 inches by typing 4, enter. Let's do the same thing on this surface. 4 and enter. And let's offset this surface as well, but let's offset this one out 4 inches. Now let's go to the bottom of our model and let's offset this in 6 inches. Let's go ahead and go around our model and continue to offset these 4 inches in. Now let's go back to our push-pull tool and let's begin to push and pull some of these new surfaces that we have created. First, let's go under our model and let's push this surface as far as we can, and when it stops, it will clean up the face that it touches by deleting one of those faces. Now let's do the same thing with this surface. Let's push it in and click, and it will clean that up. Let's push this one in as far as it'll go and on the face, and it will clean that up. Now let's go ahead and pull these surfaces out 1 inch. 1 inch and enter. 1 inch, enter. 1 inch, enter. And 1 inch, enter. Now let's go ahead and clean up this model a little bit. Let's go to our erase tool and select these lines. Now let's go over the rotate command. First, let's select an object that we would like to rotate. Go ahead and select your entire model. Now select the rotate command. Now let's pick a base point for our rotation. Let's go ahead and pick the origin. Now when we see the rotate tool highlighted the same color as the axis, that is because it is perpendicular to that axis. So let's go ahead and click once there, and let's click once in any direction, and we can see we can rotate our object around that center point we selected. Now I can click and place this model anywhere, or I can type in an angle here. So let's go ahead and type 45 degrees, enter. There we have rotated our model 45 degrees. Click rotate again. Now you will see the rotate tool turn black. That means it is not aligned with any of our original access points. But we can still select anywhere on our model and we will rotate perpendicular to that surface. So let's go ahead and undo that. Now let's use the rotate copy function. Go ahead and select your model once again and select the rotate. And let's go ahead and select this origin point again. Drag your mouse and let's go ahead and click anywhere. And then we want to toggle our control button. And now whenever we click again, we will create a copy. So let's go ahead and type 90 degrees, enter, and now we've created a copy of our model 90 degrees from where this other one was. And that is a quick run through of the rotate tool.